Well, so a really big thank you to the team for very kindly sending out to me this amazing heated blanket to try. This is really lovely. This comes in 4 different colours and 2 different sizes. So you're going to find something that you really like. The material is super soft. So on the one side, you've got this like fake fur. On the other, you've got that this sherpa. So both sides are super soft. And even when it's not plugged in, it's still really warm because it is a full-on beautiful blanket. So it is an absolutely fantastic size. So maybe you're just sitting there and you're feeling a bit chilly, you want to throw a nice blanket on. Maybe pop it on your bed before you get in. It takes about 10 minutes to warm up. Some perfect amount of time just to grab yourself a drink, put your PJs on and get snuggly. Aside from how warm and soft it is and how comfortable it is and the great size and colours, there's some really other great features I really like. One is the huge control screens. On the top here, you've got your heat setting and the bottom you've got your timer. All you need to do is keep pressing it until you get the temperature you really like. So it goes up, and then when it gets to number 6, it will go back to 1 again. So you won't get confused. And then underneath, you've got your timer, and you can time it for between 1 and 10 hours. So it's going to be absolutely great. So if you've got a really cold night and you want to put it on for the full 10, you certainly can. The cable is also really nice and long. So maybe your socket isn't as close to your bed or your chair as you'd like. It's going to be really great for that as well. Also, one of the amazing parts is it's a machine washable. So maybe you want to keep it fresh every couple of days. Maybe you've got pets or maybe you share it. You just want to keep it nice and clean. All you need to do, super simple, is just to unplug the socket here and you can just wash the entire blanket in the machine absolutely fine. And probably one of the best parts, which I think is really important, is the running costs. Based on the national average, it costs less than 4p per hour to run an electric blanket. So if you are finding that you don't want to heat your whole house, but you're really cold, this might be a really good option for you. Thank you so much again to the team for sending it out to me. I really do appreciate it.